Good day, everyone. Good day, everyone. You're welcome to our Design Like a Pro masterclass once again. So today we're going to be talking about how to design mascot logos using Canva. So first of all, let's talk about what mascot logos are all about. So mascot logo is the representation of your brand. Let me put it like this. It's just about using a face to represent your brand. That's the function of a mascot logo. Just like when we think of Amazon, we think of Jeff Bezos, right? We may not know the names of all the employers. We may not know the names of all the employees also, but we surely know the owner. And just like when we think of Microsoft, we don't even know the software developer. We don't know the digital marketer. We don't know all those people involved in the process. But we know Bill Gates. We know Bill Gates as the owner. So that is the face of those brands. Or those are the faces of those brands. Jeff Bezos for Amazon, Bill Gates for Microsoft. So when you think of their brands, that is the face you link to. Those are the faces you link to those brands. So that's just what mascot logo is all about. Just like when you think of KFC, like the face of the face that was used for the logo of KFC is actually the face of the owner, but most people don't know that. So when you think of KFC, you may not know the chef that made what you are eating. You may not know the owner of the company, of the eatery. You may not know the people involved in the process. But the face on the logo is just very familiar to you, and that is the face of the brand. So mascot logos are used to represent faces of brands. So they are more like pictorial, they are more like images of people. It can be in animated form or in normal form, just a face representing the brand. Like if you look at the logo of KFC now, it is not really in an animated form. What I mean by that is the face of a real person. But if you look at the other two examples we have here, they are not faces of real people, but still, it's still depicting human characters. It's still depicting the face of somebody or the face of a character. So that's what mascot logos are all about. Depicting, using your logo to depict a character. So under mascot logos, your logo must be alive in the sense that it must represent someone. It must represent someone, whether animated, like the logo here of a burger shaped like a man, when he's wearing a hat and is holding something like a walking stick. Whether animated like that or normal like KFC, which is the face of the first person or the establisher of KFC, which is what they use for their logo. Whether it's animated or normal like the logo of KFC, it must just represent someone. That's what mascot logos are about. So today we are going to be making a mascot logo so that you can have a total idea on how to make them. And we're going to be making a mascot logo for a donut company, a donut making company. Yeah, more like an eatery where you can eat donuts, nothing else, just donuts. So the name of the company we're dealing with is called DFC. So we want to give their company, their brand, a character that represents them, just like the characters we can see here representing these different brands. That's what we want to do now using Canva. So let's get straight to it. So remember the first step I always talk about, I always tell us about, which is getting inspiration for the design we're about to make, which you can do by going to Google or any other website or browser you prefer to look for logos of other brands that are in your niche. For example, now I want to make a logo for a donut company, so I'll look for logos that other donut companies are using, get ideas from there, and combine those ideas with the idea I already had to create something. You understand? So I'll just go to Google now. I'll go to Google. Then I can type in donut logos. I can type in something as simple as that. Donut logos. Then I search. Sorry, my Wi-Fi was switched off. So I can type in something like this, as simple as that. Donut logos. Then I can go to images, or I can be very specific and say mascot donut logos. Mascot, which is the type of logo, we're considering today. Mascot donut logos, and then they will bring out things like this for me. So I can just scroll. You can see different examples here of mascot donut logos. Let's see different examples here. So you can use this to get ideas that you can now use for your own design. So I don't want to make this video too long, so we don't spend too much data on it. So I'll try to speed up the process when I'm making my own logo. But when you are making yours, please make sure you take your time. So you can just scroll and check these logos one by one, open them, search through them, through the different ones available, then get ideas from all of them, and then use those ideas you have to create your own logo, to create your own character that will represent the brand you are designing for. So as for me, I already have an idea. What I want to do now is execute my idea. So I'm going to need some items for the idea I have in mind now. The first item I'm going to need is a donut, just a donut. So I'm going to search. I'm going to search through this place again for just plain donuts without eyes, hands, anything, just plain. So I can see some already. I think I can see this. Okay, I can just take a screenshot of this, or you can visit the website to download it. But most times either they ask you to pay on this website, or the items are watermarked. So most time I just save myself the stress of going through that pain. I just take a screenshot. So I'm still looking for another one. I still want to take one more or two. Let's see. I think I like this. So I'll visit this website now. You see this website. Let's see what we can get here. And then when you see websites, where you get good pictures, you can just take a screenshot. So you can go to your gallery anytime you need that website and get the domain name. So I think this website has some good pictures. Then all I'll do is take a screenshot of the name of the website, so that when next I need it, I can just go to my gallery, check for the name, then search for it on my browser. So I want to download this image now. Let's download that. Let's see if we have better ones here. Let's see what we have here. Looking for better animated pictures. Hope I find some. Okay, We'll just make do with what we have. We'll just make do with what we have. Let me see if I can get one more. Okay, we'll just make do with what we have. So the next thing I'm going to need for my logo is eyes. I'm going to need eyes for my logo. I want eyes to be part of my logo. Remember, we're creating a character, something that is meant to be like a human being. So of course, we humans will have eyes, right? So I'm going to need eyes for my design. So I can just type in here eyes clip art, eyes clip art. So you may be wondering what clip art means. Clip art means like animated form, cartoon, animation. That's just what clip art means. So it's just like typing animated form of eyes. So everything they bring out here will be animated. That's just what it does. So I can just take a screenshot of this. Let me take a screenshot and let me search for the one I want. Let's see what we have here. I think I like this. Just take a screenshot. What else do we have here? I think I like this also. Take a screenshot again. And this also. Just take a screenshot. Then I think this also. Just take another screenshot. So apart from eyes, I'm also going to need mouth and maybe nose also for my design. I want to add nose and mouth to my design. So I'm just going to type here mouth clip art like that. Then different images will pop up. So I'm just going to click on the one that says cartoon mouth clip art. Then I can come here and download the ones I want. Just take a screenshot like that. I think I like this one too. Take a screenshot. Let's see. These ones also. I think I like these ones. Take a screenshot of them. Let's see if we can get better ones. These ones. Take a screenshot like that. Then this one. Sorry. Take a screenshot like that. Fine. So I've gotten all I need now. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to remove the background. Remember, I took them as screenshots. I didn't download them, so the backgrounds will still be there. So I have to remove the background of those images I took the screenshot of as screenshots just now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to remove.bg, which is the website, as I earlier told us, that you can use to remove the backgrounds of your images. Remove.bg. Take note of that. You can use it to remove the backgrounds of your images. So I'll go to remove.bg. Then I can upload my images one by one. Okay, upload image. Let's start with the eyes. Just download this, then upload another one. Remember, I took quite a lot of them. Download this. I'll upload another one again. I want to have as many options as possible. I think I've done, okay, I've not done this one before. So I'll download this also. Then for the nose and mouth now, nose and for the mouth, let's go like this. I'll just download that. Now upload another one again. Let's see. Which other good one do we have here? Let's try this. Okay. So whenever it shows could not identify foreground, it's most likely because your picture is too jam-packed. Your picture is too jam-packed. So what I can do is I can go to my gallery. Go to my screenshots, then crop the image I want to remove the background of, because most times it's because it's too large. So once I crop it, just edit this and crop it from my gallery. Once I crop it, it will most likely be able to remove the background after I've cropped it. So I'll just crop others also. Crop this one too. Let me crop that. So you notice that when I go back there now, it will be able to remove the background. So take note of that when you're making your designs. I think we've done that. What else? I think it's okay like that. So I can just go to Google, then try uploading that again. So to start with this. So you see now it was able to remove the background because I made the photo less cumbersome. Okay. So now we can head on to Canva and make our design. Canva. Click on this plus button here. Choose this size, which is the Instagram post size. Then the first thing I want to do is to upload my donuts. So I'll just go to this plus button. I'll go to gallery. Then I'll search for the picture of the donut. So this is it. I'll upload this. Don't worry, the background will soon be removed. Okay. So I'll upload that. Then the next I want to add the eyes. The eyes I downloaded. So go to gallery again. Then search for eyes. Let's check this out. Let's see what is here. Eyes. Okay. So let's see how this goes. I don't think. Let's see how this works. Okay, this doesn't really fit in here, and I'll just replace that with another image. Let's try another one. That's the advantage of downloading many images. You have a wider range of options if one doesn't work out well. So let's try this. The only issue with this is that when I removed the background, it removed some parts of the eyes that were supposed to remain. So I may still have to replace this again with another one. So I have to replace this with another one. So let's see if this works well. Let's check this out. Just reduce the size, bring it here. Okay, this also doesn't really go. Let's see. Okay, I may have to download another one again, but this time around I think I should download something plain for the donuts. So I don't want to I'll be downloading another donut now. Let me just search donuts clip art. Donuts clip art. Looking for something kind of plain and smooth images. Let's see. Let's try this. Let me download that. Okay, I've even seen another smooth one. I think this is smoother than that. Let's take this also. And which other one is here that is good? I think we can try this out also. So I'll just go to remove.bg and remove the background of those images I just took. Remove.bg. Sorry, the video is getting quite long, which is what I was trying to prevent. So I'm very sorry for that. So I'll try to increase my pace now so we can finish on time. I'll download that. I think this donut is more than good, so I may not be removing the background of the remaining ones. Let me just work with that one. So I'll go to Canva. Now, if you notice, before I minimized Canva, I saved my project. The reason being because remember I earlier told us that if you minimize Canva for too long, when you come back, you may have lost your project. But when you save it, you can now go back to your saved project and just open it again. So most likely you can see here, it's just a blank page that is here. We've lost our project. So I can just go to my designs, then take it. So you see now. So I'll just replace this. I'll replace that. Gallery. Take this. Remove this part. Crop that part out. Bring this to the center here. Like that. Then let's see how this does. No. I think I'll just delete that. Then let's look for something else. Elements. Let's look for something else. Eyes. Eyes. Let's try this. I think I need better eye pictures, so I'll go to get better eye pictures. But before then, let's see if we can find something suitable for the mouth. For the mouth. Let's see if we can find something suitable to put for the mouth. Mhm. Well. I think I'll replace that. Let me look for something else. Let's look for something else to use. Which one? Okay. Let's try this. Let's see how this goes. Let's try this out. This doesn't really go well. Let me reduce the size. Put it down there. It doesn't really go well with the chocolate part of the design. What can we do? Okay. So I'll just try to download some other pictures for the eyes and for the mouth. But before then, I'll save my design. Save my design again. Let's see. So eyes, clip art. Eyes, clip art. Images. Take this. Then mouth clip art. Oh, let me still go with eyes clip art. Let me try something here. I'll just visit the site. Then download this. Looking for the download. Okay, download page. Download. Okay, so now that that is downloaded, let's try using it in our design here. So I'll import that gallery. Okay, it has not reflected. It has not reflected. So I'll go to my designs. I'll reload my design. By the time I reload my design, the ice clippers I downloaded should have reflected. So I'll upload. I'll go to gallery. Okay, and upload this. Just wait for the background to be removed. Good. Then reduce it like that. So we can go with something like this. We can go with something like this. Go with something like this. Then we're looking for good eyes, sorry, for good mouth now, for a good picture of the mouth. So I'll just let's see. um yes, let me just download one more picture of the eyes before we move on. So I'll download that. Download the image. Okay, so now we're going for the mouth mouth sorry mouth clip art. Let's see what we have here. Let's try this out. Let's visit the site and download it. So I want to download this one too. In addition to that, so just okay. So let's go with those ones. Let's see Canva. Let's see how good they will be. Wow, 35 minutes already. I'm so sorry for the time. Replace. Go to my gallery. Then let's use one of these. Let's use one of these. I think. hmm, Let's try this. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this. I think I like this one. Just increase the size of that. And then we are as good as done with our design. Just increase that a little bit. Put it there like that. And so with that, we've been able to make our logo already. Very simple steps. So the next thing I want to do now is to write the company's name. Remember I said the name of the company is DFC. So I'll go to text, choose a font, and then write out the company's name. Let's look for a good font. But because of time, I think the video is already too long. So I'll just take any font. And I like this one. It's kind of playful. So I'll just edit that. Write DFC. Let's see if that goes. I think I like this playful font. I hope it goes. Color. I want to change the color. Let's change the color of that to something pretty dark. Yeah, I think we can go with something like that. But actually the font doesn't go to me. So I might want to change that font. Let's try something else. I think I like that better. Let's try another one. Okay, I think I'll go with this. Also because we're trying to save time, I don't want to spend time trying to get a good font and all. I think we should be able to do that on our own. We should be able to do that on our own. Able to decide which font is best for our logos. So, and with those simple steps, I've been able to create my own mascot logos. So to create your own mascot logo on Canva, the steps are just as simple as this. Thank you.